Billions of bags of potato chips are consumed around the world every single year. It is the snack that accompanies every party, every road trip, and every movie night. But have you ever stopped to wonder how a simple potato, grown deep inside the earth, transforms into that perfectly crispy, golden, and delicious chip? Today, we are taking you inside a modern, mega factory where advanced technology and high-speed automation produce thousands of chips every single second. The journey begins at the farm, but these are not your ordinary grocery store potatoes. For making chips, a specific variety called chipping potatoes is used. These are special because they contain less water and higher starch content. Massive industrial harvesters dig up the soil, collecting tons of these potatoes and loading them directly into trucks. Upon arriving at the factory, the trucks unload their cargo into a massive receiving hopper. In this first stage, the potatoes must be separated from debris. This is done using a destiner machine. Since potatoes grow underground, stones often get harvested with them. This machine uses water flow and gravity to let heavy stones sink to the bottom, while the lighter potatoes float safely to the next stage. Now, it is time for cleaning. The potatoes enter a large rotating drum with abrasive walls. This is the peeling section. The machine gently rubs off the skin in just a matter of seconds. It is designed with precision to remove only the peel without wasting the valuable potato flesh inside. Before slicing, high-tech cameras scan every single potato. If a potato is rotten, green, or defective, it is immediately kicked off the line. Only the highest quality potatoes make it to the cutter. Now comes the heart of the operation, the slicer. This machine works like a centrifuge. The potatoes are spun at high speeds against razor-sharp blades. These blades are sharper than surgical tools. Every slice is cut to an exact thickness, usually around 1.3 millimeters. If the slice is too thick, it won't cook through. If it's too thin, it will burn. Precision is everything here. After cutting, you will notice the slices go through another wash. This is crucial. When you cut a potato, it releases starch. If this starch isn't washed off, the chips will stick together in the fryer and turn brown. After washing, powerful air knives blast the slices to remove excess water. This is a safety measure because water and boiling oil are a dangerous combination. Now, the raw slices enter the frying tunnel. This is a massive tank filled with thousands of liters of vegetable oil, kept at a scorching 190 degrees Celsius. As soon as the potatoes hit the oil, the water inside them instantly turns to steam. Those bubbles you see, that is moisture leaving the potato. This is where the science of flavor happens. The heat triggers the Maillard reaction, changing the chemical structure of the potato, giving it that signature golden color and savory taste. After about 3 minutes, the chips emerge from the other side, fully cooked and crispy. But the job isn't done yet. Even after frying, technology is watching. The chips pass through an optical sorter. Lasers and high-speed cameras scan the moving belt. If they detect a chip that is burnt or clumped, a precise jet of air shoots it off the production line. This happens faster than the blink of an eye. Now, it is time for flavor. The hot chips enter a large rotating drum called a tumbler. Here, seasoning powder is showered onto them. Whether it is salt, cheese, or barbecue. The tumbling action ensures every single chip gets an even coating. Many factories use an electrostatic charge to make sure the powder sticks perfectly to the chip. Finally, we reach the packaging zone. Overhead, multi-head weighers calculate the perfect portion for each bag. They ensure that every packet has the exact weight promised on the label. You might wonder why the bags seem puffy. That isn't just air. It is nitrogen gas. Oxygen makes chips go stale and soft. But nitrogen keeps them fresh and crispy for months. It also acts as an air cushion, protecting the delicate chips from breaking during transport. From the soil to the seal, the process is complete. These boxes are loaded into warehouses and shipped to stores near you. So, the next time you open a bag of chips and take a crunch, remember the incredible engineering, science, and speed that went into making that single bite. If you enjoyed this journey inside the factory, make sure to like this video and let us know in the comments. And tell me, what is your favorite chip flavor? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories behind everyday things.